Hey guys, welcome back to my page again. Today we'll be designing a checkbox and we are going to be prototyping it. That's the active and inactive states. Let's quickly get into it. So the first thing I'll do is I'll open Iconify plugin on my Figma. I'm waiting for my Iconify to load up. Alright, so once you see your Iconify plugin open like this, the next thing you want to do is you search for the icon you're looking for. Of course, we're looking for the check icon. So I'll click on search and I'll search for check. Yeah, so you can see many check icons. So you can just grab anyone you feel like using. I think I like this one. So I'll drop it here, drag it outside and drop on your frame. Close Iconify, you don't need it anymore. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'll wrap this in an auto layout, Shift A, and I'll give my auto layout a fixed width and height. That's going to be 40 by 40. Yeah. But let me use 32 by 32. I'll step the auto layout in the middle, then I'll give it a stroke. I'll give it a very subtle stroke. Yeah, gray stroke. I'll give it corner radius. Let's say 6. 6 is not bad. Yeah, so the next thing I will do here is I'll just duplicate it into two. Hold your shift and your alt key, duplicate it into two. So this will be my inactive state, this will be my active state. So if it is on active, I want it to have a fill background. So I'll change this stroke to in, I'll delete the fill, then change the stroke to fill, Shift X. Your stroke changes to fill, then that becomes your primary color. Then the check inside becomes white. So this is the active state. The inactive state, I'll just double click and select the check icon inside. Then I'll close the eyes of the stroke. Just close the eyes to make it invincible. Then click outside. So this is my inactive state, this is my active state. I highlight both of them together. Then you make them a component set. Create component set from both of them. Then you can change their names. This one will be default, this one will now be active or selected state. Yeah, so the component name, instead of property one, we use checkbox for the component name. So we have checkbox default and active. Let's try it if it works, guys. So I'll draw a frame outside, my testing frame. I'll draw it outside. Let's quickly prototype it. Click on prototype here, select the first one, which is the default state. When I click on this one, it should turn to this one. On click, change to this one, active instantly. Awesome. Then I'll click on this one. If I should click on this, it should change back to this one, the same settings. Then let's check if it works, guys. So I'll click outside, copy the inactive one, copy it, Ctrl C, then click here, Ctrl V. So this will be my testing ground where I just want to test my prototype. So I'll click on this frame, I will preview it here. I'm waiting for it to come up, guys. Yeah, so let's see if it works. I guess this is my network, it's still loading up. Yeah, so you guys can see it's working now. So that's how to design a simple checkbox in 3 minutes. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you guys later.